Aydan and I can both sing and dance, so I'm going to have to find a way to stand out in this battle.
This battle is going to be very, very tough. I'm one step away from the live shows. Everything that I've been working towards since I started singing is being put on the line right now.
All set for battle. Two ready-made pop stars. From Team Joe, he's got the voice, he's got the looks, but does he have the confidence to take the win? It's 17-year-old Aydan Calafiore. And she was one of Team Joe's big steals from the knockouts. Will she turn out to be Kelly's biggest regret? Also 17, it's Madi Krstevski. Let the battle begin.
This is that ice cone, Michelle fight for that white cone.
This one for them who girls, them good girls, straight masterpiece.
Styling, wildin', living it up in the city. Got trucks on, Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty.
I'm too hot.
Hot damn.
Like the police and the fireman.
Too hot, hey.
Hot damn.
Make it drag and want no retirement.
Too hot.
Hot damn.
Say my name, you know who I am.
I'm too hot.
Hot damn. And my band buy that money. Break it down.
Girl, sit you hallelujah. Girl, sit you hallelujah. Girl, sit you hallelujah.
Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you.
Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you.
Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you.
Saturday night when we in the spot.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. All right. Hey, hey,
Oh!
stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some liquor in it.
Take a sip, sign the check.
Julio, get the shit. Rock to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we're gonna show out.
Smoother than a fresh drop chip.
I said I'm too hot.
Hot damn.
Call the police and the fireman.
Too hot.
Hot damn. I'm a band about that money. Take it back now.
Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah. Girls hit you hallelujah.
Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you.
Cause Uptown Funk gon' give it to you.
Uptown Funk gon' give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on.
Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Hey, hey, hey.
Oh!
Uptown Funk you up. Uptown Funk you up. Come on. Uptown Funk you up. Uptown Funk you up. Uptown Funk you up. Yeah, yeah. I said Uptown Funk you up.
Team Joe, what about that?
I think we might have seen the birth of the new Carly and Jason. You almost look like a group, you know, you look like you belong together. So it's really difficult to kind of say which one of you popped. Both of you had like great vocal moments. So I'm not going to be very helpful here. I think you should become a duo. Kelly did that last year.
Oh, I tried. I mean, you guys do have a, like, what is all of this? And what is all of this, Miss Maddie? And it was just so entertaining. First of all, great job to your coach, Joe. You did a wonderful job coaching them. You really did.
Delta, you have called Aydan a born performer. Do you think his star is rising?
When I look at you, Aydan, I kind of feel like you're somebody who's like ready to go. You're in such great hands with Joe and you're clearly a force, you two, as a team. I loved that you both had choreography. I loved that it was thought out. It felt like you were both on point. It felt rehearsed. So well done to both of you. Maddie, you did a beautiful job.
Thank you.
Whilst I'm a super fan of Aydan, I feel like Maddie held her own in a fantastic space. So big ups to the two of you. Love you both. You're great.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wow, Joe. Now, you said this was going to be a battle of confidence. So who claimed the crown for you tonight?
The fact that you guys got up on stage, you danced your asses off, and yet you still sounded good is like really something that's very rare to find. I don't think we have really anyone on the show that can do what you guys are doing up there. You definitely bring the best out of each other. All that said, my tough decision has to be made, so I want to work with a person who I feel like is going to be dedicated, work hard, and I think ultimately can show the confidence I need, and that's Aydan.
Aydan, congratulations!
I was so sure that it was going to be Madi. Like, no, don't do that to me, don't do that to me. It's so hard to be happy because I know Madi worked really hard. We both worked really hard. We grinded in the hotel room, like...
You what, sorry?
Okay, hey, hold on. No, we really did. We worked really hard on this.
Yeah, we practiced really hard to make this the performance that it was.
You guys definitely did an incredible job.
Thank you so much. I want to thank Madi so much. You brought out the best of me in this performance. I hope I did the same for you, but
You did,
yeah.
thank you.
So cute.
Sweet. You're so sweet.
Great work, man. Great work.
That was so sweet. He even blew you a kiss as he was walking off.
I'm very grateful for this opportunity. It has been so amazing. Sorry.
It's okay, our little pop star.
Callie, firstly, I'd like to say thank you for taking me on board. And Joe, it's been great to work with you, so thank you so much.
I am very proud of you. And this is definitely not the end of the road for you. You're a star, like we all said.
Did a wonderful job. You're so proud of yourself.
Thank you so
So
much.
proud. You're welcome, gorgeous.
I really appreciate it.
No problem, baby. No problem.